Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be planting up this little border here. This is the one I did a couple of years ago. It's about a tenner, £10. Got like some nice perennials in. What I'm going to be doing with these delphiniums, I've got some cornflower, some gladioli. I'm going to be showing you how I go about planting up my gladioli. I normally start them off in pots, but because I didn't have much room in my greenhouse this year, I've only done one lot. The cats have knocked it over, but they're still fine. I'll get them planted. This is what I bought 50, I think it cost me probably 10 pence each of these. And all you want to be doing is just 3 and 5, I find. Nice, more natural shape then, like so. If you want a continuous display, you want to be planting them probably every 9 to 12 days apart, or 14 days apart. There we go. I just put them on like so, and you can get some idea of where everything's going to be. You can always change it, move them about. But yeah, once they're put on like so, all you need to do then, get the camera set up so like this, folks. There. Yep. Once you get them, all you need to do then, you want to plant them between 3 and 5 times the depth, to say. So it's one big hole out. That's obviously very good soil. And you want to leave at least a couple inches between each one. You don't want them both touching. Yeah, so you can have a proper look at that. And then once that's done, like I said, that's probably about 1, 2, 3 times the depth. And gently move the top down. If you're worried where they are, sometimes I stick a cane in so I don't dig them up until they start coming through. Just do some more for you. But yeah, this is really good compost. This is really good soil. It's old cotton compost. It's been sieved. It's had plenty of nutrients added, plenty of organic matter, as you can probably tell. Not many stones. Got some old perlite from the cuttings in there. Yeah, 5 and 3s and 7s, odd numbers. It looks more natural then. So yeah, don't forget that's the top, and the gnarly bit is always the bottom. So yeah, nice bit of distance between each one. If you have any questions, anything on the channel, don't hesitate to ask, folks. I'll be glad to get right back to you once these have been covered. So, give them a water, and when they start coming through, you can start feeding them with everything else, and I'll probably use a liquid tomato feed. So yeah, that's how to plant my gladioli bulbs. If you've got any questions, folks, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please keep safe. Bye.